we're gonna do a vlog and we're going to not Halloween Horror Nights, Howl-O-Scream, which is like a scary park, which takes place in Busch Gardens, which is like a theme park in Tampa. And it's my first time ever going to a scare park, so I'm super excited. We're going with like 15 people, right? 15 people. That's my boyfriend. He's back there. But basically I want to take you guys along. I say that a lot. So you guys can like experience it with me, because it's my first time and I'm so excited. But I just got ready, like all my makeup and stuff. It took a couple hours because, you know. But yeah, so basically we just finished getting ready and we're gonna head to his house, and then my friend's gonna pick us up and then we're gonna head there. I want to show you guys my outfit. So my top is from, can you read the tag? I think it's from Brandy. Brandy. My top's from Brandy. These shorts are from on. They're really cute. They have like the rips right here, and then they're not super short in the back, but yeah. That, and then this flannel that I just bought for him for his birthday at H&M. So I feel like this would be really cute and like Halloween-y, you know. And then I don't know what shoes yet. Either the low top classics or the high top classics. And then like he was saying it might get too hot, so I was like, oh, yo girl, my fat wrists can wear it like this. Just like wear it like that. Here's my mirror. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Oh, and his outfit. We got this shirt at Goodwill because we thrift. And then these are from where? Paxson?
From what's this store?
JCPenney?
No, yeah,
Macy's. JCPenney. And then he's wearing his basic Vans and some Nike socks. And this nice chain we got him on my birthday. We're so excited. Ugh, we're about to leave. Oh, I want mine too.
Going there, a 4 or 5.
Where?
I see everybody's orders.
Oh, I see it there.
We're getting ready to leave and we're waiting for Juan. Forgot the backpack, but this is Vanessa. And that's my little brother, Jeremy. Jeremy, say hi.
What's up?
And that's Juan's brother, Diego. And the kids. So it might take a little long.
Oh god.
Do you mind if we stop at McDonald's?
Of course I fucking mind. I'm just kidding. Fuck, I don't care. McDonald's.
Body range, pull up in a tank. Talking down.
Wow, that was good.
This one? Yay! Say hi, Mimi. That's Mimi. Her channel will be linked below.
Follow her. Ask them for their number, Jeremy.
Wow! Portrait nobody. Wow, look at the sunset. Billie Eilish, we want Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish.
You can go, like, you know, you can.
What side are you?
No, not my subscribers, Vanessa. Hey guys, so we're in now. We're getting ready to go into that ride. So dark. We ain't ready. Oh, Jesus Christ. I just tripped over myself twice. Lord have mercy. Turn your back. What's up, YouTube? Hey guys. Tell them how scared you are.
I'm shaking in my little boots.
Well, she's quivering down there. Them boots is quivering. Tell my viewers how scared you are tonight.
I'm not scared at all.
Well, he got them big old balls there. Tell my viewers how scared you are tonight.
I'm not scared.
Ooh, we got another one.
Mine's too.
How scared are you tonight?
Very.
Oh my gosh, okay, so we're getting to the front of the line. Oh my god, we're literally about to go in.
Watch us like 7.
I just ran into the freaking wall because I was spooked as freak.